Good afternoon, students. Today I will present my syllabus English for therapists. In this, I select unit number 3, representation exercise, and in item 3.2, stretching and movement exercise. This is my lesson plan. In this unit, to identify common strengths and movement exercise, we include rehabilitation instruction describing body and using appropriate vocabulary. Using the slides, this is my example. Well, let's start. Any person have any idea for physiotherapy? Any idea, any concepts about therapists? No? No? Therapist is not only the person who helps or support any old person or young. It's only for any type or several problems in your body. For example, in your shoulders, in your head, any difficulty or problem in your starting of life. The topic today is stretching and movement exercise. And the first one, what is stretch and movement exercise? Please, can you repeat?
Stretching and mobility exercise are the physical activities that improve flexibility, increase joint movement, and prepare the body of the activities of rehabilitation. They help muscles and joints move safely and efficiently.
Thanks so much. In this case, what is this? In this case, I'm explaining in short words, is when you can help when you start movement of all your body, and maybe a young person or old person, and you can help start rehabilitation is necessary when you start in zero, because you start so fast movement, you can produce any accident in your when you start mobility exercise. What are the benefits? Please, you can now.
Benefits of stretching and mobility exercise. Improve flexibility, increase range of motion, reduce muscle stiffness, improve posture, prevent injuries, improve balance and coordination, reduce pain, enhance physical performance.
This is all benefits for old person. When have a grandfather or grandmother have problem in your shoulder, knees, or any part in your body, it's necessary you support it with any type of physiotherapist. Have any other benefit, for example, good health, more coordination, and in this case, the posture. Any person saying when she walking in the city, this grandfather is normal walking, and for example, my father have several problems with it's only walking in the city. It's for the person A have good movement. She have exercise, go to the gym or CrossFit, it's anywhere. She have a movement all your body. But the person number B is only in your bed, is working, is eating, and go to sleep. You don't have movement in it. Most common exercise is neck movement, shoulder rolls, arm straight, neck bends, ankle rotation, hip circle, and cat pose, pitch, and hip rise. In this class have three types of exercise. For example, shoulder growth. What is the object? Reduce shoulder thickness. It's necessary stand up and strut, lift your shoulder, and roll backward and then forward. How many? Repeat 10 times. Why? It's not necessary pass this time because the person is not accustomed on this type of movement. And for example, this is your very class, and for this person it's boring. But you help in your health, and what is the objective? With reduced shoulder. What is the movement? You continue to move shoulder in rolls and background and forward. 10 times. It's no need to oil for your shoulder. It's only move your body. The second is the mid spread. The objective to screw mix move. To stand up with your feet and shoulder widths apart. Bend your knees and shoulder and return the stand position. This is similar to the others, you repeat 10 times. In this case, I need to chart for its example. When I start, it's so slow. The old person I need to support for you down and sit down and up is so slow. You need any support or your therapist, for example, I need you repeat this movement. In this case, the therapist help in down and up. This is a movement of the support the person, in this case the therapist, about this type of exercises because I don't know that the therapist don't know this person have a good muscles or have bad health. And in any case, when you don't help this person have several problems. For example, the other person is falling in the floor. The next exercise, it's only two. Time to break. I have two students. One student is an old person, several problems in your shoulder. And the second things is when the old person have any problem in your legs. You remember what time is for shoulder and what time is for legs? Yes? Okay. Two volunteers. What is the old person and the therapist? Okay, you are an old person or therapist?
And the old person.
Old person, okay. What is the therapist? What? Okay, thanks so much.
Okay, Mr. Could you stand up, please? Very good, good job. And now, stand up straight. Very good, very good. Lift your shoulders in this way. Very good. In this way. You can do it.
Yeah, this is a really situation for an old person. This person don't understand when you talk about any type of exercise. You can help, in this case, the exercise. When the second meet, the old person, he recognize this type of exercise. Thank you so much. This is our group. The second is needs back. I need two persons. I need an old person and a therapist. Come on. The second group is the presentation, the speaker. The other group improve the meeting mobility. The therapist help old person and corrects the posture. I can share with support and sit down the old person. The therapist always is back to our person for movement the chair.
Careful. Be careful.
It's not necessary the old person stand up or it's necessary to in the middle, it's okay. Because this is the first class and need to movement on board. And this type of case is necessary when the old person maybe in our case move the shirt in back. And the old person is holding the floor. Thanks so much. You can receive. What? In this class, you learn this type of support an old person, and you recognize when only this is a problem, but in the real life you can help your grandfather, your grandmother, but in this case, with this person black. In my case, it's not. But this is all for today. The next class is for mobilities in all your body for all persons. Thanks so much and see you next time.